बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे फ्रॉम कारवान पब्लिशर की बुक से। तो ये वीडियो उन कैंडिडेट के लिए हेल्पफुल है जो अभी लेक्चरर का टेस्ट देने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा, साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, जल्दी जल्दी इनको रिवाइज़ करने की कोशिश करते हैं क्योंकि पेपर से 2 दिन रह गए हैं। सारे जितने प्रिपरेशन की रिवीजन है उसकी मैं एक प्लेलिस्ट बना दी है। आप मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर लेक्चर इकोनॉमिक्स प्रिपरेशन सीरीज़ से जाके देख सकते हैं और मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दे देती हूँ। स्टार्ट करते हैं। द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड स्टेट दैट अदर थिंग रिमेनिंग द सेम द क्वांटिटी डिमांड ऑफ एनी गुड इज इनवर्सली रिलेटेड टू इट्स प्राइसेस। जो क्वांटिटी डिमांड होती है वो इनवर्सली रिलेटेड होती है। तो ये भी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है इनका। फर्स्ट, द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड मोस्टली डायरेक्टली मीन द कंज्यूमर बाय लेस ऑफ गुड द हायर इट्स प्राइसेस। सिट्रस पैरिबस। सिट्रस पैरिबस मीन अदर थिंग रिमेनिंग इक्वल। जब उसकी प्राइस ज़्यादा होती है तो हम उस चीज़ की क्वांटिटी लेस परचेज करते हैं। द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड प्रिडिक्ट दैट अदर थिंग बीइंग इक्वल एन इंक्रीज इन द प्राइस ऑफ अ पिज़्ज़ा डिक्रीज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्राइस आप पिज़्ज़ा डिमांडेड। तो ये वही चीज़ दोबारा रिपीट हो रही है कि जब पिज़्ज़ा की प्राइस बढ़ेगी तो उसकी क्वांटिटी डिमांड कम हो जाएगी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्लेन वाई डिमांड कर्व ऑल स्लोप डाउनवर्ड। सब्स्टिट्यूशन इफेक्ट एंड इनकम इफेक्ट की वजह से जो उसकी स्लोप होती है डाउनवर्ड, क्योंकि अगर प्राइस बढ़ी है तो लोग उसके सब्स्टिट्यूशन को ज़्यादा ख़रीदना शुरू कर देंगे। As the opportunity cost of a good fall, ceteris paribus, the substitution effect implies that people buy more of that good and less of its substitute. If price of an apple increases, its opportunity cost increases. When the price of a pizza decreases from 1200 rupees to 1000 rupees, it's definitely in case that substitution effect mean people buy more pizza. And question number 8, if the market for magazine, the income effect mean that an increase in the price of magazines will reduce the total purchasing power of magazine readers, making them able to afford fewer magazines. ये एक चीज़ को बार बार डिफरेंट एग्जांपल के साथ पूछ रहे हैं। आगे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आएंगे। When the price of a pizza decrease from 1400 rupee to 1200 rupee, we both the income effect point out that the total purchasing power of people who buy pizza increases. When the price of a good fall, ceteris paribus, the income effect for normal good implies that people buy more of that good because they can afford to buy more of all things they previously bought. If the price of an apple increase from $50 to 60, the quantity demanded will decrease because of substitution and income effect. When the price of an inferior good falls, ceteris paribus, the substitution effect lead to the increase in quantity purchase and income effect lead to decrease in the quantity purchase. इन्फीरियर गुड की अगर इनकम बढ़ती है तो डिक्रीज़ होती है और अगर प्राइस बढ़ती है तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन इफेक्ट लीड टू इंक्रीज हो जाता है उसका। फिर व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ अ नॉर्मल गुड फ्रेश बीफ फॉल्स, ceteris paribus, substitution effect lead to increase in the quantity purchase and income effect lead to an increase in quantity purchase. जो नॉर्मल गुड होती है उसकी इनकम जब बढ़ती है तो वो हम, और प्राइस कम होती है तो हम वो चीज़ ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ करते हैं। The negative slope of a demand curve indicate that there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Which of the following lead to movement along but no shift in the demand curve for Spanish? A rise in the price of Spanish से movement होती है, shift नहीं होता. If the price of a product X fall and this change increase the demand for product X and Y are substitute. क्योंकि एक्स की जब प्राइस फॉल करेगी, दिस चेंज इंक्रीज इन डिमांड फॉर प्रोडक्ट वाई, क्योंकि वाई तब उसकी डिमांड बढ़ी है एक्स की कीमत बढ़ने से कि वो उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शिफ्ट डिमांड का फॉर हॉट डॉग लेफ्टवर्ड एंड इंक्रीज इन द प्राइस ऑफ हॉट डॉग बन। स्वीट shirts and t-shirts are complement in consumption and price of sweatshirt increases as a result demand for t-shirt will decrease, that is the demand curve will shift leftward. If the price of chicken fall, then in the market for beef the demand curve for beef shift leftward. An increase in the expected future price of a good increase its demand. The fundamental reason people must choose which good to buy and consume is because of scarcity. Microeconomics studies such topics as the forces that influence the price of shoes. Which of the following is a positive economic statement? If the government increases taxes on gasoline, the price people pay for gasoline will rises. ये positive statement है. इधर करते हैं क्वेश्चन है. A price decrease and an increase in income are similar to that. Both move the budget line outward. The difference between a price decrease and an increase in income is that an increase in income does not affect the slope of budget line while decrease in price does change the slope. A market demand curve can be derived by adding all individual demand curve horizontally. Some goods are not closely related to each other and are neither substitute nor complement. For such good, the cross price elasticity of demand would be zero क्योंकि उनका आपस में कोई connection नहीं है. The phenomena of backward bending market supply curve for labor indicate an increased desire for layers as income rises. If layers is an inferior good, the individual supply curve for labor is upward sloping. Which of the following concepts represent extra revenue a firm receive from service of an additional unit of factor of production? Marginal revenue product. Price elasticity of a demand is defined to the percentage change in quantity demanded resulting from 1% change in prices. Suppose that the price elasticity of a demand for maple syrup has been estimated at 2. If quantity demand increased by 10%, price must be changed by 5% lower. Along any straight line negatively sloped demand curve, the price elasticity varies but the slope remain the same. क्योंकि straight line negatively sloped demand curve है तो price elasticity varies कर सकती है but the slope जो उसकी है वो same ही रहेगी. Price elasticity at given price is not affected by change in a supply. The Eric elasticity formula is used to estimate elasticity when there are two observations of price and quantity. दो ऑब्जर्वेशन है उनका डिफरेंस हमने मालूम करना होगा. एट योर फेवरेट वाटरिंग स्पॉट हैप्पी आवर प्राइस आर लेस देन नॉर्मल प्राइस फॉर ऑल ड्रिंक्स एक्सेप्ट वाइन. नो डिस्काउंट प्राइस आर ऑफर्ड फॉर वाइन. यू कैन कंक्लूड दैट वाइन ड्रिंकर में बी प्राइस इन इलास्टिक. क्योंकि बेशक उनकी प्राइस ज़्यादा होगी लेकिन वो वाइन लेना पसंद करेंगे. द प्राइस इलास्टिक ऑफ डिमांड इज़ द सेम थिंग एज द नेगेटिव ऑफ द reciprocal of slope time the ratio of price quantity. An elasticity coefficient of 1 mean that the relative change in price and quantity are equal. If the demand curve for a good is downward sloping, then the good must be either A or B. Normal भी हो सकती है और inferior भी हो सकती है. If the demand for gasoline is relatively but not completely price inelastic, then it follows that a decrease in price of a gasoline would reduce the total amount spent on gasoline. The most important determinant of price elasticity is the availability of substitute. If consumers spend 15 million a month on CDs, regardless of whether the price they pay goes up or down, that implies that their price elasticity of demand of CD is 1. Which of the following will not be determinant of people elasticity of demand for commodity? The cost of production, the commodity. बाकी importance of commodity in consumer budget ये सारे affect करते हैं. The market demand for product is found by horizontal summation of individual demand curve. The price elasticity of demand will increase with the length of period to which the demand curve pertains because consumer will be better able to find substitute. If the income elasticity of demand is 4%, the good is an elastic normal good. Luxuries are distinguished from necessities by high income elasticity of a demand for luxury and the low income elasticity of demand for necessity. The income elasticity of inferior good is one because the increase in income offset the desire to consume less of good because of its inferior. The income elasticity of demand equal the relative change in demand for good divided by the relative change in income of consumer or else being equal. Demand for labor is the same as marginal physical product. With y on the vertical axis and x on the horizontal axis, if the price consumption curve for x is downward sloping the right, the price elasticity of demand for x is relatively elastic. A negatively sloped isocont implies input with positive marginal product. The marginal rate of technical substitution is the rate at which a producer is able to exchange without affecting the quantity of output produced a little bit of one input for a little bit of another input. क्या होता है कि इसमें प्रोड्यूसर एबल टू एक्सचेंज विदाउट अफेक्टिंग द क्वांटिटी ऑफ आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस कि उसमें वो उसकी क्वांटिटी जो वो पैदा कर रहा है उस बना रहा है उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. लिटिल बिट वन इनपुट फॉर लिटिल बिट अनदर इनपुट. If the presence of a diminishing minor rate of technical substitution between labor and capital, capital can be kept unchanged only if equal successive increase in labor go hand in hand with ever smaller sacrifice of capital. If simultaneous and equal percentage decrease in the use of all physical input lead to larger percentage decrease in physical output, a firm production function is said to be increasing return to scale. If a firm triple all input and output triple as well, the firm is subject to constant return to scale. For a given short-run production function, technology is considered to be constant for given production function relationship. An ISOCOST line identify the relative price of input. ISOCOST क्या करता है? Relative price of input. ये important है. The expansion path identify the least costly combination of input required to produce various level of output. The expansion path identify the least costly combination of input required to produce various value of output. A tangency point between an isocont and isocast line identify the least costly combination of input required to produce a given level of output. Suppose a firm is using two input, labor and capital. What will happen if the price of labor fall? All of the above. The firm marginal cost curve will shift downward. The producer unchanged output from firm would be more labor. A firm long run average total cost line is tangent to all curve of short run average total cost. Average fixed cost is decline over the either output range. If average fixed cost is 40 and average variable cost is 80, a given output we think that average total cost is 120. उन दोनों को जमा कर लिया है. The output where diminishing return to production began is also output where marginal cost is at its minimum. Which of the following statement about marginal cost is incorrect? U-shaped marginal cost curve implies the existence of diminishing return over all range of output. Which of following statement about relationship between marginal cost and average cost is correct? When MC exceed AC, AC must be rising. The demand for labor slope downward and the right because of the law of diminishing marginal return. The demand for labor will be more elastic if labor is large percent of total cost of production. A firm operating in a perfect market maximizes its profit by adjusting its output until its marginal cost equal to output prices. In short run, no firm operates with loss unless total revenue covers variable cost. A good short run supply curve is shift to the right by an improvement in the technology of making the good. Being a price taker in a market means that the seller has no choice but to charge the equilibrium price that results from market supply and demand curve. The statement that marginal cost equal to marginal revenue lead to profit maximization of loss minimizing is true only if marginal cost is rising at a point of equality. ये लेंथी क्वेश्चन है, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. In the long run, a profit maximization monopoly produce an output volume that equate long run marginal cost with marginal revenue. With respect to price elasticity, it is true that all of the above are correct statement. Monopoly market demand need to less elastic than market demand to competitive industry. Monopoly firm face less elastic demand than cooperative firm, or monopolies should not produce where demand is inelastic. Supply curve of for monopolist cannot be uniquely determined. If monopoly is unable to cover short-run variable costs, it should shut down. A worker A earn. Sorry, it question is important. Price discrimination is technique that can improve the firm revenue and profit performance. A monopolistically competitive market is characterized by all of the following except economic profit in long run. Question number 131 है, the king demand curve faced by an oligopolist is based on the assumption that rival will follow a price decreases but not price increases. A common criticism of the king demand curve model is that it does not explain how price was determined. Which of the following does not characterize monopolistic competition? Absence of advertisement. Product differentiation give each seller to a small amount of monopoly power because the product of other firm are not perfectly substitute. ये नहीं है. A firm that is price taker face perfectly elastic demand curve. New firm will exist a perfectly competitive market when price is less than average total cost in long run. A point on production possibility frontier reflect attainable point with full employment of all the resources. A drop in the price of compact disc shift the demand curve for pre-record tape leftward. The budget allocation rule state that marginal utility of X divided by its price be equal to marginal utility of all other goods divided by their prices. Cardinal approach theory was presented by Marshall. Indifference curve has following characteristics except one intersect each other. Indifference curve इसको को intersect नहीं करते. Good which can be consumed directly or produce consumer goods. Microeconomics is study of individual unit of economy. Law of variable proportion is applicable in short run. Indifference curve is always convex. Foundation of law of demand is law of dimension marginal utility. Indifference curve approach is also called ordinal Mayer's approach. Indifference curve show a various combination of goods which give the equal level of utility. The quantity demand increase as its price increase and fall as its price fall is called given good is presented by Robert Giffen. Indifference curve theory is old wine in a new labeled bottle is said by Marshall. Demand curve show that relation between price and demand negative. Law of demand is not applicable on scarce good. In capitalistic economy, price is determined by demand and supply. In substitution effect, consumers shift away from commodity which price has risen. Principle of economics book of Marshall. In monopoly, there is one seller. In monopoly, there is a single buyer. Elasticity of demand of luxury good is always more elastic. The classical are of the view that utility can be counted when due to change in price of a commodity, X demand of commodity Y is change. It is called cross elasticity. Law of dimension marginal utility state as consumption of good increases, its utility decreases. A good having more than one user will have the demand more elastic. A consumer is said to be in equilibrium when the marginal utility and price of the commodity equal. When the quantity demand is changed on the same price movement on the same demand curve. When goods are complement the cross demand curve downward to right. Labor has the following characteristics except one. Bargaining power of labor is very strong. Law of variable proportion is also called law of non-proportional return. A typical demand curve cannot be rising upward to the right. A demand curve is not related to price of substitution. The largest source of tax revenue of the federal government is personal income tax. Duopoly is a market situation where there is two sellers. When my income was 1 lakh, I paid 10,000 in taxes. When my income became $2 lakh, I paid $40,000 in taxes. My marginal tax rate is 30%. Change in quantity demand, movement on the same demand curve. Extension and contraction of demand mean movement on the same demand curve. Income demand curve and inferior good is downward in slope. Tax is question 52 is progressive. One of the following has more elastic demand. A commodity we substitute which of the following tax is regressive. A sale tax होता है वो regressive होता है. The demand curve of unitary elastic commodity is rectangular hyperbola. When there is a huge change in demand, following method is used to measure elasticity of demand. Eric method. When the demand curve is vertical, it shows that the demand is perfectly inelastic. Finance minister tax a commodity having inelastic demand. A monopolist who is charging high price operates on inelastic part of demand curve. Cross elasticity of following of commodity is very high. Good substitutes. Income elasticity of inferior good is negative, and expansional demand curve is downward sloping. In case of complementary good, if the price of a commodity fall, there will be rise in demand curve. When the demand curve is straight line, the elasticity of demand at each center point will be equal to 1. The supply curve of a monopolistic is always undefined. ये 250 क्वेश्चन है. आई होप वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.